Today we will discuss about chapter 9, our last topics. So let's go. In the chapter 9, here discuss about the technology in our life. Which types of technology used in our daily life, it is discussed here. By using tools or technique for controlling the environment and finishing necessary tasks to know as a technology. Technology makes our life better, easier, and very comfortable. The picture uh, should, below shows the technology used at a house. Can we find the technology? Yes, we find the different types of technology here. Technology, at first we have to understand what is technology. Technology, that means a something instrumental or a something invention which makes our life easier, which the new invention made by the human being or other from the natural source or other things, which is technology. Technology is not a natural things. As for example, tree is not a technology, but when we use a tree for build bench or table, the table or bench is a technology, not tree is a technology. We use uh, bricks or silicon or cement to use to build our house. This is the technology, but the silica itself is not a technology. When it is used to build different types of uh, buildings materials, different types of buildings, different types of uh, substance, this is the technology. In this picture, we see that in the first picture is a drawing room. There are different types of sofa, television, fan, AC, uh, clock, uh, remote control, table, and carpet, all are technology. In the second picture, it is a bedroom. We see that there is a window and there is a fan, clock, light, and a bed sheet, computer, table, chair. All things are technology. In the third picture, we see that is a kitchen. There is a micro oven, ventilator, gas oven, fridge, and all things are seen. It is a technology. In the fourth picture, we see that there is a television, bed, and a radio, cassette player, all things, AC, all things are technology. So every day we use different types of technology to lead our life and uh, to our life become comfortable. Technology used in daily life every day. Without technology, we cannot lead a moment of our lives. We use technology in different situations of our life. Technology at home, we can find many technologies at home. We see that uh, in the background of Tasin Ras, there is a technology, there is a almari, and there is a different types of, there is a bed, there is a other instrument, all are technology. We see that the background of Muntasir Khan, there is a technology, a fan is moving, there is a headphone in his hair, all things are technology. So we can find many technologies at home. There are electric light, fan, iron, television, radio, mobile, computer, etc. There are the technology in a kitchen such as gas burner, refrigerator, rice cooker, microwaves, etc. All are technology. In the ancient period, People use wood as a fuel for his cooking, but nowadays we use gas burner. It is the use wood for cooking. It is a technology, but use gas burner is a modern technology. And we use microwaves, oven to heating some things. It is a technology. We use a telephone. Before, it is a technology, but nowadays we use a mobile phone. This is a modern technology than the telephone, because by using the telephone uh, we hear or talk to other, but using the mobile phone we talk to other, and the same time we see that by the video call. Most now we are talking with you in a virtual class. This is a technology. This is a modern technology. At that time we are communicate with you, and and we are studying the chapter 9 as a modern technology by using the modern technology. This is the Zoom cloud, by using the computer and mobile phone. It is a modern technology. So every day we use technology. In the television we see that different country and different types of news which is occurred at that moment. It is a modern technology. By using the computer we uh, we can do, which is difficult for us, but we can do it easily. It is a modern technology. Technology in a sports. Many technologies have been introduced in a sports. Examples of sports technologies include the sporting equipment such as football, tennis, rackets, cricket bat or ball, clothing and footwear. In the first picture we see that there is a cricket bat, ball, helmet, hockey bat, skates, basketball, football, all things are technology. In the second picture we see that a cricket match. Nowadays we see a cricket match which is occurred in any country. We see that in live telecast by using camera and new technology. We see that uh, this play by using different angle, by using camera. It is a modern technology. Every day, every purpose in a sports, we use different types of modern technology. And technology also used in the entertainment. In the picture there are a harmonium, guitar, piano, drum, all are in musical instrument. This is the technology. It is used for our entertainment. We use technology in entertainment field in our daily life. Computer are one of the technologies that are introduced in entertainment. We can play video games, watch movie and listen to song with a computer. We also use technology in music. Musical instruments such as tabla, harmonium, guitar, violin, piano, drums, CD and DVD player are the examples of using the technology in music. In few days ago, we use cassette player for music, then CD, DVD. Now we use YouTube channel for uh, listening music. This is a modern, ultra modern technology is used for our entertainment. There are different rides such as Ferris wheel, roller coaster in the fun parks. When we go the dream holiday parks, Nandan Park, Fantasy Kingdom, we see that different types of rides, all are new technology is used for our entertainment. Zoo and children parks, fun dark rides, all things are technology. In addition, children toys and instrument for drawing picture are examples of entertainment technology. Beside this, we use different types of dolls, different types of toys for our entertainment. We use headphone to listening music. It is a entertainment. It is a technology. We use different types of pen. In the ancient period, uh, uh, wood pen or feather pen also used for writing, using using ink. But nowadays we use modern pen for writing. This is a technology. Without technology, we cannot lead any moment in our life. So in addition, children toys and instruments for drawing picture are examples of entertainment technology. We use different types of oil paint to draw the picture. It is a modern technology. We use different types of uh, copy or paper to build to make a books or khata. Uh, it is a technology. In the ancient period, people write on different types of uh, leaves, different types of uh, skin of different types of animals. But nowadays we use paper for writing. It is a technology. Technology also used in the medical treatment. Advance in medical technology uh, have allowed doctor to better diagnose and treat their patient. Many types of medical device have been developed: thermometer, stethoscope, and blood pressure meter, X-ray machine, X-ray and ultrasonic and computerized tomography also used to examine the internal organs. It is a computerized tomography are also used to examine the internal organs. The development of medical technology has made significant contributions to improve the health of the people around. Advance, Advancement in medical technology have allowed a doctor to better diagnose and treat their patient. Many types of medical device have been developed: thermometer, stethoscope, and blood pressure meter are example of a simple medical device. The advancement device such as X-ray machine, electrocardiogram, ultrasonography, and computerized tomography are also used in examining the internal organs. The development of medical technology has made significant contributions to improve the health and the peoples all the around the world. By using the medical technology, you can talk to doctor, any country of the doctor you can talk to using the medical technology. By using the medical technology, different types of stethoscope and computer tomography, MRI, ultrasonography. In the stethoscope, we use to feel our heartbeat, and computerized tomography and ultrasonography. Ultrasonography is used to see different types of organs inside our body. So it is a very much helpful in medical treatment. We can diagnose the uh, definite uh, definite uh, disease for the better treatment. So nowadays we use different types of medical instrument to make easier to solve different types of disease and different types of uh, problems in our body. So the technology in medical science, it is a useful for us to diagnose the disease and treat their treats the patients. Technology in agriculture. Technology is used in agriculture. There are 6 pictures in your books. In the first one, you see that there is a tractor. In ancient period, people use a spade to cultivate their land. Then they use cow or other animals to cultivate their land. Nowadays, we use the tractor, so it is easy to plow, cultivate for cultivations, and it is and we can plow the more land by using the tractor in a short time. In the second picture, you say that there is a harvesting machine. This machine instrument is used to cutting down the paddy or other crops. It is used easily, and we can cut down our paddy or other crops easily and more for a short time. In the third picture, we see that there is a other agricultural instrument which is used to remove the unwanted grass or other trees. In the third picture, we see that there is a spray water spray for water is a spray for spraying for crops. In the third picture, we see that there is a suction pump using to sucking the milk from the cow. So it is a agricultural technology. In third picture, we did that irrigation pump, which is used to irrigate the in the cultivate land and different types of crops. All things are agricultural instrument. This technology make easy to cultivation. As a result, we cultivate more and more crops, and we can export the crops to other country by using the agricultural instrument and technology. So it is helpful. It is very much helpful for us. The technology has played an important role in agriculture. The summary on the use of technology in agriculture are as like different types of agricultural equipment have been developed: tractor, cultivator, planter, sprinkler, irrigation pump, harvester, and milking machine are examples of agricultural equipment. It allows a small number of people to grow and to process a lot of food in a shortest period. The modern agricultural technology is applied for the productions of crops that resist the disease and pest and grow very fast. Rice, wheat, and potato are the examples of crops that improved by the technology. Those new technology of the crops helps farmers to increase the amount of productions of crops and reduce their workload. Nowadays, by using this modern agricultural technology, we cultivate different types of paddy and different types of crops. You know that in Bangladeshi scientists invented 82 kinds of new paddy by using the agricultural technology. As a result, we produce more and more paddy or crops which use to leads the lives of our peoples, and then we export the extra crops to other countries. It is possible by using the modern technology. Rice, wheat, and potato are the examples of the crops that improved by the technology. Those new types of crops helps farmer increase the amount of productions of crops and reduce their workload. Technology introduced to collect forestry and to invent the new variety of the plant. We can use the chainsaw to cut down the tree and collect the wood easy. In the picture you see that the people use the chainsaw to cut down the tree. In the ancient times, we use uh, different types of postmodern uh, instrument, but nowadays we use ultra modern technology to cut down the tree and irrigations for flower garden. Technology is used to invent the plants with the special trait. For example, plant breeding help us to produce the beauty of many different colors of flowering species. By using the modern technology, we produce different types of flower, different colors of flowers of the same species: red, violet, yellow, and other colors. Those colorful flowers are used to decorate our room and beautifying our environment by using this. This different colorful flower is used to uh, to decorate the party center or our different uh, uh, different types of decks, which is used for to decorations, different different decks or your house to decorate it, your living house. So there are 3 short questions in the chapter. Write the 5 names of technology that are used in sports, but I know that you can write 50 names the technology that are used in sports. It is possible, you know that. What kinds of technology are used for the entertainment? What are the advantages of the medical technologies? Two descriptive question. How can development on agricultural technology help us? Explain how technology at home makes our life more comfortable. You explain it. You practice it in your home to write the answer of these questions. Now the question sections. You have to ask me if any slide you cannot uh, understand. You may ask by one, not togetherly.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a question.
G.
Sir,
Yes.
what is the SW? What type of machine is Milky Machine?
There is no SW, but you have to practice the write the answer of the short question and
Sir,
broad questions.
some musical instruments স্লাইডের মধ্যে
One by one.
স্যার
One by one.
স্যার আমি বলি
I have
স্যার
Tasin. Tasin.
Sir, what type of machine is Milky Machine?
স্যার
The Milky Machine কি ধরনের একটা
আমার একটি
Milky Machine is one kind of suction pump which sucks the milk from the cow and store in a pot. In ancient period, the people used his finger to suctions the milk from the cow, but the machine is used to suctions the milk from the cow. It is easier for the peoples. Who asked the question?
স্যার মিউজিক্যাল
One by one.
মিউজিক্যাল ইনস্ট্রুমেন্টস এর স্যার মিউজিক্যাল ইনস্ট্রুমেন্টের স্লাইডটাতে একটু যাবেন।
Yes. The question you have to question must in English. This is the medical. This is the musical
স্যার ইন
instrument.
মিউজিক্যাল
Mass technology and entertainment.
Technology in entertainment.
Only 3 minutes, sir. Sir, we
Sir,
have
it
to
was to
close
say
it
that.
and
You
join
go to the
it.
technology and entertainment. Yes, sir.
স্যার আমার একটা কোশ্চেন আছে মেডিকেল ট্রিটমেন্টের স্লাইডটা থেকে।
Yes.
স্যার আমারও কোশ্চেন আছে।
Yes. Yes.
স্যার
স্যার আমার লাস্ট পেজের কোশ্চেন। তবলার
One
পাশে
by
যে
one.
ইনস্ট্রুমেন্টটা সেটার নাম কি?
One by
স্যার
one. Harmonium.
তবলার পাশে যে
Harmonium.
স্যার আমার মেডিকেল ট্রিটমেন্টের স্লাইডে একটা কোশ্চেন আছে।
Yes. Ask me.
স্যার হচ্ছে ইলেকট্রোকার্ডিওগ্রাম দিয়ে কি করে?
Electrocardiogram.
ইয়েস স্যার এটা আমারও কোশ্চেন।
It is used to draw the peak of our heart. We feel our heart. We feel our heartbeat.
আচ্ছা স্যার ইন্টারনাল অর্গানস মানে কি?
The organs are situated inside our body. That means heart.
ও আচ্ছা স্যার ইন্টারনাল অর্গানস মানে কি?
Internal organs are the organs which is situated into our body. That is lung, heart, etc. This is internal organ. This organ we cannot see from the outside. This organ we cannot see from the outside. There is a very much sound problem. Always I told you your microphone must be mute. Only whose microphone on who asked me question.
স্যার আমার কোশ্চেন।
স্যার
আমার কোশ্চেন।
Yes.
স্যার আমার
Sir, this I have made from myself, sir. This is a super glue,
Super
and
glue.
this is, sir, 100%, sir. Sir, কাজ করে, sir.
Okay, thank you.
আরো গ্লু বানাইছে স্যার। স্যার স্যার আমি তো স্যার
Silent. This is computerized tomography. In the middle picture, we see that there is a instrument which is operated by the computer and to produce image in our brain or internal organs. This is a computerized tomography. Yes. Ultrasonography. Ultrasonography is a medical equipment which is used to make a image of our internal organ by using the ultrasonic sound.
Sir.
Yes.
স্যার স্টেথোস্কোপ মানে কি স্যার?
A stethoscope
Sir,
is an instrument
electrocardiogram মানে কি?
which is used to feel our heartbeat. A stethoscope is used to feel and hear our heartbeat sound.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
Sir, what does plant breathing mean?
Yes. Sorry, I do not understand.
Sir, what does plant breathing mean?
Plant